GM guys, and welcome to my channel. So let's dive right in. What if you could send money anywhere in the world instantly for less than a penny, only on a blockchain that's been battle tested for over a decade? What if that same blockchain was now building a stablecoin so powerful, the gateway to parallel economy? This isn't a new project, this is DigiByte, and the revolution is just beginning. So back in January 2014, developer Jared Tate launched DigiByte with no ICO, no VC funding, no central company pulling the strings. From day one, this was a project built by the people for the people. DigiByte is a UTXO blockchain, just like Bitcoin, but it moves faster and bolder. With 15-second block time, that's 40 times faster than Bitcoin, fees a fraction of a cent. And it did something Bitcoin still hasn't fully done. It launched SegWit before Bitcoin. It pioneered multi-algorithm mining. It set the standard for social adjustment so well that Ethereum, Zcash, and Dogecoin all copied its DigiShield technology. To understand why DigiByte is built to last, you need to understand its three-layer architecture, and it's beautifully designed. Layer 1 is a core protocol. Think of it as the engine room, the global network where nodes communicate, transactions are validated, and the blockchain stays alive 24/7. Layer 2 is the public ledger. This is where the immutable record of every transaction ever made on DigiByte, transparent, tamper-proof, and secured by 5 different mining algorithms running simultaneously. 5. That's 5 times the attack resistance of a single algo chain. Layer 3 is DigiAssets, the app store on top of the blockchain. Smart contract, tokens, NFTs, real estate on-chain, digital identity, supply chain verification. If you can dream it, DigiAssets can actually host it. Now let's talk about what makes the DigiByte ecosystem truly special. DigiAssets lets you tokenize anything from real estate and medical records to digital art and signed contract. It's secure, scalable, and more decentralized than any other asset platform on the market. Digi-ID is DigiByte's answer to the password problem. Log into website and apps using your DigiByte wallet. No username, no password, no central server storing your data. Cryptographic authentication. This is pure Web3. Then DigiShield, the difficulty adjustment algorithm, so good other blockchains stole it. It protects DigiByte's mining stability and AutoCrypt, the custom GPU-friendly algorithm that changes itself every 10 days, which keeps the chain ASIC resistant. That's decentralization by design. And then we have the DigiPay SDK, which is making it easier than ever for business to accept DGB payments. The new feature like one-click payment links and built-in protection against duplicate charges. This is amazing, guys. Now comes the big one, the DigiDollar. Here is the moment the entire DigiByte ecosystem has been waiting for. The DigiDollar, a fully decentralized USD-pegged stablecoin built natively on the DigiByte blockchain. No Tether, no USDC, no centralized custodian, no single entity that can freeze your funds or disappear with your collateral. So here's how it works. You lock your DGB coins as collateral. The on-chain protocol means DigiDollars, each pegged one-to-one to the US dollar. The price is maintained by a decentralized Oracle network pulling real-time DGB USD prices from multiple exchanges. In case you want your DGB back, you simply return your DigiDollars, the protocol bonds them and releases your collateral. This doesn't require any middleman, no permission required, and the blockchain itself is the bank. DigiDollar combines the stability of fiat with the speed of security of DigiByte, 15-second confirmation, sub-cent fees, and zero counter risk. Believe me, this is what DeFi was always supposed to be. Now let's talk about why DigiDollar changes everything. Think about what DigiDollar unlocks for everyday users. For merchants, they can accept a stable currency on a blockchain that settles in 15 seconds with no price swings, no chargebacks, and no fees eating your margin away. Then for DGB holders, they can borrow against their assets without selling, mint DigiDollars to access liquidity while keeping their DGB positions intact. It's like a decentralized loan, but the collateral is yours always. Then for the ecosystem, DigiDollar is the foundation for DeFi on DigiByte. Lending protocols, traditional trading platforms, cross-border remittance is all now possible natively on the world's longest running UTXO blockchain. And this isn't vaporwave. DigiDollar V1 hit testnet in early 2026. Batch transfers, Oracle fixes, real code, real progress. The parallel economy isn't coming, it's already being built. Then let's look at the bigger picture. In February 2026, the state of Arizona formally advanced a bill naming DigiByte alongside Bitcoin and XRP as an eligible state strategic reserve asset. A blockchain that started as a volunteer project with zero VC money and zero ICO is now being considered by a US state government as a reserve asset. That's amazing, guys. And that's not a coincidence. That's decades of doing the work. So guys, the DigiByte has been building in silence for over 10 years. DigiDollar is the signal that the silence is over. So learn more at digibyte.org, follow the DigiDollar testnet, get your DGB and join the parallel economy because the future is fast. and the future is decentralized, and the future is DigiByte. I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.